Today we're making colossal shrimp wrapped in prosciutto, seasoned up Cajun style, and we're going to make a dipping sauce. I got some colossal shrimp here, right? They've been deveined, shells are off. Just going to sprinkle in maybe, that might be a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to use that as a binder for these guys. Now you can pick your favorite rub. I'm going to use this Amazing Cajun. That's about a tablespoon. We'll work it all around. Now we're just going to take each of these colossal shrimp and wrap this prosciutto around them as tightly as we can. Very simple, right? It's real thin. You can mold it to it. Perfect. In fact, I like this better than bacon. As you know, bacon is a lot thicker, and sometimes if you're doing bacon wrapped shrimp, the shrimp will get done well before the bacon. This turns out much nicer. Got our last one here. We're going to get him, whatever, all wrapped up. And we'll almost be ready for the grill, right? I'm just going to come back in with a little sprinkle of that same Cajun seasoning, just like that. And then we have some red pepper flakes. Just a few red pepper flakes. And when we turn them on the grill, I'll add a little bit on the other side. I'm going to let these shrimp sit here, right? Because when they cook, they're going to cook 10-15 minutes. What I want to do next, let's make a dipping sauce. Got a half a cup Duke's Mayo. This is 1 tablespoon, no sugar added ketchup. 1 teaspoon each, smoked paprika and dried garlic. Tablespoon of lime juice. Now we're going to come in with about 1.5 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. Now let's come in with a little 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. This happens to be Vidalia mustard. And then 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper, kosher salt, black pepper. Now we just want to mix this up really well. And there's our shrimp dipping sauce. All right, so our grill today, we're going to cook direct, like I said earlier, 10-15 minutes. We'll just put those shrimp on there and make sure we keep a close eye. Let's get over to the grill. You can see we're cooking right about 425 today, and we're cooking over direct heat. So you want to stay close to these guys. This fat on the prosciutto is going to drip down. They're going to flare up a little bit. So don't turn your back. That's why we went ahead and made that sauce, because it won't take long for these to cook. You spend about 8 or 10 minutes. Let's have a look at these shrimp. Just going to flip one of them over. Look at that beautiful collar on that. Let's get them all flipped over. And I'm just going to come in with a little bit of those red pepper flakes. I don't know if they're going to stick real well, but I like the red pepper flakes. We're going to let them go about 5 more. My guess is 15 minutes total cook time today. Cooked a little longer on the first side, flipped them over. It was about 5 minutes. Look at these guys. I mean, just look at the color of those shrimp. I'm going to get these shrimp off here. Let them cool down just a minute or two, do a taste test. Well, that prosciutto brings a little salty flavor to those shrimp, and it brings a smoke flavor to it. I think I've got sauce on me. That sauce is excellent. If you like this recipe, I've got 2 more seafood recipes right down below.